Welcome to Takeoff Group. Today our project is Smart Helmet. This project aims to develop a prototype for smart helmet which detects whether the person wears helmet or not and whether he consumed alcohol. Also, its special feature is if any accident occurs to the person, it sends the accident location as an SMS to ambulance and also to their family members and thereby saving the life of the person. In existing system, we don't have technologies to check whether he wears helmet or not, and we also don't know whether accident occurred or not. Coming to part of block diagram, it has two sections, transmitter section and receiver section. In transmitting section, we have Arduino, IR sensor, alcohol sensor, LCD and Zigbee transmitter. In receiver section, we have Arduino, GPS, MEMS sensor, GSM and Zigbee receiver. So now the components in transmitting section, they are IR sensor, alcohol sensor, Arduino controller and Zigbee transmitter. IR sensor, it detects whether the person wears helmet or not. Alcohol sensor, it detects the concentration of alcohol consumed by the person. Arduino controller, it is the main controller which processes all the data. Zigbee transmitter, it continuously sends the data from IR sensor and alcohol sensor to receiver section. Now receiver section. Receiver section has GPS, MEMS sensor, GSM, Zigbee receiver and Arduino controller. Zigbee receiver, it continuously receives the data that is sent by the transmitter section. GPS continuously tracks the location of the vehicle. MEMS sensor means micro electromechanical systems. It gives alert to the system when its value go beyond some boundaries. GSM is abbreviated as Global System for Mobile Communication. This module is used to send or receive messages on calls and SIM is inserted in it. Relay, it is an electromechanical switch and it turns on and off the motor based on our requirement. And coming to LCD, is used to monitor the whole process. And power supply, it is used to convert the AC supply to 5 volts DC supply because majority of our components in our project requires 5 volts DC supply. Now let us see the working. When power supply is given to project, all modules get turned on. At transmitter section, IR sensor continuously monitors whether the person wears helmet and alcohol sensor monitors about alcohol consumption. Zigbee transmitter sends this data to Arduino in receiver section. If the person does not wear helmet or if he consumes alcohol, it doesn't allow the vehicle to start. In receiver section, if MEMS values go beyond some threshold, it means accident happened at that location. In this case, GSM will send that particular location as a message to ambulance and family members.
For any queries, contact 903033 433 or 087722 61612. Or you can visit our website www.takeoffgroup.in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.